Hello student, welcome once again in our 7th standard mathematics chapter number 8 comparing quantity exercise number 8.2. In last sessions we discussed regarding the exercise 8.1 profit and loss with percentage, and that formula also we studied. In these sessions, we can study more about the comparing quantity. Here are the questions. Before starting our today's sessions, you are ready with your stationaries and silent prayer. You can do yourself. Here are the things what we have to solve. There are 10 questions. Of 10 questions, just look at the first one. Convert the given fractional numbers to percentage. First one is 1 upon 8 and 5 upon 4, 3 by 40, 3 upon 40 and 2 upon 7. Here they ask us a percentage. Second thing is convert the given decimal fraction into the percents. Next question is like this way: estimate what part of the figure is colored and hence find the percentage which is colored. Here first, second and third. We already studied in last sessions. A picture is completed having a part like this way and the one part is colored. Remaining three parts are there, and then after you can say what is the part. And always a wall picture is means 100%. Out of 100%, if four parts are there, if you selected one, then you have to say what the part is color. Is it? Next one, you have to find out a 15% of 250, and sometimes it is a 1% of 1 hour, but you have to know what is a 1 hour, how many minutes are there, how many it is there, you have to find out. Or you can say 20% of 2500 rupees, 75% of 1 kg. We are knowing 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. The things which we already studied in last year, that ande ka funda, meter, centimeter, kilogram, gram, liter, milliliter, etc. Fifth question is asking us wall quantity if 5% of it is 600. So we have to find the wall things is there. 40% of it is 500 kilometer. We have to find out what is 100%. Next one, convert given percents to decimal fractions and also to fractions in simplest forms: 25%, 150%, 20%, and 5%. In a city, 30% are females, 40% are males, and remaining are children. What percent are children? We should have to find out. Very simple way. 30 plus 40 will give you a 70%. So remaining is 30%. Without doing any calculation, you can find the answer. Regarding the 8th question, out of 15,000 watts in a constituency, 60% voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Can you now find how many actually did not vote? Yes, my dear students, you can do. 9th one, Mita saves rupees 400 from her salary. If this is 10% of her salary, what is her salary? If 10% is 400, then find the remaining 90%. You will give me a 100% salary. Last question, a local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. It won 25% of them. How many matches did they win? Okay, now students, we will start our today's solutions of question number 1, exercise 8.2, standard 7, mathematics. Here they ask us 1 upon 8%. Nothing to do. Whatever the fractions are given, just multiplied with 100 and percentage sign. Okay, my dear student, here I am writing 1 upon 8 multiplied by 100. Can you see this one with the color pen? Oh, you don't like the color? Okay, I will change it. I will make it little bit another color. Happy? Okay, let's see. 8 and 100. So first of all, can we write 4 into 2? That means 100. 8 and 2 into 50. That is also 100. Now cut this 2 and this 2. Okay, now anything is possible. Again, you can cut it here. 2 to the 4 and 25 to the 50. Now you are having the simplification 25 upon 2. Will you divide it 25 upon 2, my dear student? Yes, you can do. Then the final answer remain the same. 2 ones are 2. Good. 2 minus 2, that is a 0. Bringing down 5. Now 2 to the 4. Good. Now 5 1. Yes. 5 minus 1. 1. Extra 0 when you are calling here. Put the decimal point in the quotient. Now here is the 10. So 5 are 10. 12.5 is the answer. Okay. Next one. You can do this way. 100 divided by 8. Is it? Why not? 100 divided by 8. That means 8 ones are 8. Good. Now 0 minus 8 is not possible. So borrowing, now forget it. I already gave one trick. You should have to count after 8 up to 10. First number. So 8, then 9 and 10. Then 2 is the answer. Now bringing down 0. Good. Now 8 to the 16. So 20 minus 60. You are knowing now 20 minus 60, that means a 4. Bringing down one extra 0 and put the point here, and now it will be a 40. Now 8 5 is 40. Final answer is 12.5%. Is it there or not? Let's check. Okay, 12.5. My answer is right. Can you see here? Same way for B. 5 by 4 is equal to 5 upon 4 multiplied by 100 and percentage. 5 into 25 percentage. How it is came? Very simple. 4 ones are 4. 4 20s are 100. Yes, correct. So 5 into 25 will give you a 125. And don't forget to put the percentage sign. Once again I remind you how to read out this one. It's a percentage. Yes, you are having the percentage in your exam or in FA1 test, FA2 test, SA1 test, etc. Third one, 3 upon 40. Here also simplified, or you can say 0 cut, 0 cut. Now 30 upon 4. Is it? Or you can say 5 here and 2 will be the downside. So 3 upon 2 and 5. What will be the answer? 3 5s are 15 upon 2. Is it? And when you cut it, that's a 15 half is 7.5%. Yes, my dear student, you are right. Correct. 2 upon 7, that means say 200 upon 7. Will you do it? 200 divided by 7. Let's see. 200 divided by 7. Let's check. What will be the answer? Yes. 4, 7 2s are 14. Yes, 7 2s are 14. That means 6 is left. Bringing down 0. Yes, my dear student. So what will be the answer? 8s are 7 8s are. Yes. What is the answer? 7 8s are 56. Now 56 is subtracted from 60. Will give you a 4. Let it be there. We can write 28. That remainder is a 4 and divisor is 7. That is our 28 and 4 upon 7 is the answer. Check it. Is it there or not? Yes, it is there only. 28 4 upon 7. Very good. Look at the question number 2. Not question but answer number 2A. 0.65. Beta, 0.65, that means 65 upon 100. Just count how many numbers are there after the decimal point. 2 number. That 2 number means 100. If 3 number, then 1000. 1 number, then 10. And multiply by 100. The 100 will cut and you will find the 65 into 1 will give you a 65%. Yes, correct. Now B. B means 0.02 is equal to 2 upon 100 multiply by 100. 100 will cut. That means a 2%. Look at the question number 3. First, colored part 1 upon 4. Yes, I already shown here before starting the question. This is a one full circle and this part is colored. Is it? Okay, a pizza or a circle is like this way and one part is selected, isn't it? Now total are 4 parts, isn't it? So one part is selected. Will you write it 1 upon 4? Percentage is equal 1 upon 4 multiplied by 100. That means 25. How 25 came? 4 and 100 cut. 4 multiplied by 25. 4 will cut. The remaining part is 25. That's why answer is 25 percentage. Next one, 5 parts are there. Out of 5 parts, you selected 3 parts. That means 3 upon 5 multiplied by 100. Yes, my dear student, why the 60 came? Like this way, 5 ones are 5, 25 is 100. Now what will be the answer? 3 into 20 will give you a 60 percentage. 3 upon 8. Same way here, 25 not, but here 3 upon 8 multiplied by 100. So that is 8 means 4. 4 to the 8 and 25 4 is 100. So 3 upon 2 multiplied by 25 percentage. You will having the 37.5 percentage. A. Look at the question number 4A. 50 percentage of 250. What will be the answer? 50 upon 100 multiplied by 250 is equal to 15 into 2.5. Yes, my dear student, it is right. 15 into 2.5 will give you a 37.5. Okay. B. 1 percentage of 1 hour. We are knowing 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Is it or not? Yes, I already said 1 hour is equal to 60 minute m. Clear? Same way, 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Is it? Remember that one? Ande ka fanda? Yes. So, 1 percentage of 60 into 60 seconds and 1 minute is equal to how many seconds are there? 60 seconds are there. So, 60 seconds means 60 into 60. So, 100 is divided with 3600. So, this 20 we can cut it one by one. 101 cut, 101 cut. Okay, what is the left on the numerator side or the top side? It's a 6 into 6. 6 into 6 will gives you a 36 seconds. Is it? That means a 1 percentage of 1 hour is 36 seconds. Not a 1 minute or so. Less than 1 minute. Don't say 1 percentage of 1 hour is, yes, 1 minute is not possible. Clear? Good. Now 20 percentage of rupees 2500. Percentage of means multiplied directly. Whatever the percentage are given, remove the percentage sign and divide with 100 and whatever the number. When you find of, you just multiplied and remove the sign and divide it 100. Okay, 20 cut, 20 cut. 20 into 25 will give you a 500. D. 75 percentage of 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Good. Okay. Now 75 upon 100 multiply by 1000. So 75 multiply by 10 will give you a 750 gram. In place of that, you can write 0.750 kilogram. Here is the kilogram. Here is the gram. Check it. Let the wall quantity be x is given questions. मान लो कि वो पूरा x है तो 5% of x is equal to 600 already given as per the question. तो क्या बन जाएगा बेटा? What is the x? 600 multiply by 100 and divide by 5. Yes. So divide by 5, that means, yes, you can check it. What will be the answer here? 5 ones are 5 and you can give anyone. Suppose we can say here 12 5s are 60 and 1 0 more and total 3 zeros will be there. Why 3 zeros? Yes, my dear student, you are right, 3 zeros because of this one only. Yes, correct. Now look at the next question. It is shown here 5 upon 100 multiply by x. We are shifting the number left side to the right side. When it is a multiplied, you can make it a division sign. Division sign is a 100 is will go up and 5 will be downside. Is it? Yes, correct. Okay, next one, B. 12% of x is equal to 1000 rupees and 80 rupees. 1080. Make the 12 upon 100 multiply by x, that means 1080 divide, not divided, but it should be multiplied with 100 and divided by 12. Simplified this one, you will get a 9000. 40 percentage of 500 kilometers. So 40 upon 100 x of means x is equal to 500. So x is equal to 500 multiplied by 100 divided by 40, which will simplify like this way, 5 and this one. Okay, 1 0 cut. Now 4 and 25. So 25 into 50 will give you a 25 5 is 125, and one more 0 will give you a 1250. D. 70 percentage of x is equal to 14 minutes. So 70 upon 100 multiplied by x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 into 100 divided by 70 will gives you a 20 minutes. E. 8 percentage of x is equal to 40 liters. That means 8 upon 100 multiplied by x is equal to 40, which will use simplified like this way. This number will shifted here. Now it will become a reciprocal. Reciprocal means beta 100 will go up and this 8 will come down. Is it like this way? Yes. Now 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40. Now 5 into 100 will gives you a 500 liters. Yes, my dear student. If 8 percentage of x is equal to 4 liter, then 100% is 500. Will you tell me 500 liter, then 8 percentage is 40 liters? Same way here, this question is little bit different. Will you find out what is the question here? Percentage 25 is given. We should have to write a simplest form and decimal form. A, B, C, D. Percentage is given. We are trying to write in simplest form and as well as decimal form. Yes, first is 25 percentage removing, that divided by 100. 25 divided by 100 will give us a 1 upon 4. That means a 25, and 0.25 is the simpler decimal fractions. 150 percentage, more than 150, the answer will come 1 point something. So 150 upon 100, that gives us a 3 upon 2. 3 divided by 2 will give us a 1.5. Yes, 1.5. 20 percentage is equal to 20 upon 100. 1 0 cut, 1 0 cut. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So 1 upon 5 will be the answer. 1 upon 5, that means a half, not but 0.2. Yes, 1.2 is equal to 1 upon 2 is equal to 0.5. But 1 upon 5 will gives us a 0.2. 5 percentage is nothing. 5 upon 100, that gives us a 1 upon 20, that is a 0.005. So here are the question number 6 of, yes my dear student, percentage, fractions, simplest form and decimal form. Look at the 7th question. Percentage of females are 30 percentage, percentage of males are 40 percentage, total of male and female is equal to 30 plus 40 is 70 percentage, percentage of children is equal to total percentage minus male and female percentage will gives you a 100 percentage minus 70 percentage. Directly you can say 30 percentage. Yes, you are right my dear student. I already said without doing any calculations, because we are knowing men plus women plus children is equal to 100% already is there. Yes, out of this male and female are 30 and 40 percentage. 30 plus 40 plus children is equal to 100. Is it? Okay, now 30 plus 40 is equal to 70 plus children is equal to 100 percentage. Now shift this one to the right side. 70 is plus sign, will move to the right side, it become a minus. So 70, 100 minus 70 will give you a 30 percentage. Easy? Yes, correct. 30 percentage is the answer of children of this one percentage. Question number 8. Total waters are 15,000. Will you make it a percentage of voted candidates? How many voters gave the what? 60 percentage. 60 percentage means how many are left? 40 percentage. 40 percentage. How you got it? Because 100 percentage minus 40 percentage will give you a 40. No, 100 minus 60 percentage wanted. So 40 percentage are not voted. Yes, my dear student, actual candidates who did not vote is equal to 40 percentage of 15,000. So we can remove the of and percentage sign. We are having the simplification mode. 40 upon 100 multiplied by 15,000. 20 cut, 20 cut. Now what will be the answer here? 40 multiplied by 150. Okay, student, forget about this zero. I am saying the zeros are the pani puri and eat it. How many you are eating? 1 zeros and 2 zeros. That means 2 pani puri you ate. Now what you can see here, this pani puri cancel. You can having now 4 into 15. 4 into 15. Yes. So 4 into 15 will gives you a 15 for the 60. Yes. Now how many you add pani puri? You add at last numbers 2 were there. So 0 1 and one more 0. So answer is 6,000. You remember this trick? I hope so. So try to remember the things and make it easy the question. Otherwise it is very difficult to remember some rules in mathematics. Students, you can make your tricks, your own tricks, how to solve the question, because simple tricks makes a question meaningful and never make a silly mistake. Look at the question number 9. Let Mira's salary be X, or you can say let salary is equal to X rupees. Now 10% of X rupees is equal to rupees 400. Is this given as per the question? Can you see here I written? Yes, my dear student, 10% of salary is equal to rupees 400. So 10% of X is equal to rupees 400. Clear? Pakka? Sure. Now will you tell me what I have to do next things? Remove this percentage sign and divide it with 100. And remove the of and put the X multiplied. So 10 upon 100 multiplied by X is equal to 400. Correct. Now make the X as a subject and this numbers has to move on right side. Yes, 15. So 10 upon 100, that means 100 upon 10. 100 upon 10, that means yes, it's a reciprocal. उल्टा हो जाएगा बेटा. 100 ऊपर चला जाएगा, 10 नीचे आ जाएगा. 10 upon 100 reciprocal. Yes, my dear student, reciprocal means 100 will go up and 10 will come down. Whatever the questions are there, ulta pulta, sir और पैर उल्टा कर दो उसको, शीर्षासन करा दो. Good. So now simplified, this 0 cut, this 0 cut. How many zeros are there? 4 ones are 4 and 3 0. 4,000 सैलरी होगी, तो इसका 10% 400 रहेगा. Remember? Hence the Mira's salary is rupees 4,000. The last question is here. Very interesting questions. Boys likes this types of question very much. Number of matches played by a cricket team is 20. 20 मैच खेले हैं बेटा, उसमें से परसेंटेज ऑफ वन मैचेस आर 25%. तो कितने में से 25 मिला बेटा? 100 में से नहीं, 20 मैच में से 25% मिला है. तो वी कैन राइट 25% ऑफ 20, that means 25 upon 100 multiplied by 20 will gives you a 5. How it is came? I will show you. 21s are 20, 25, 5 are 25 multiplied by 5. 20 into 5 will gives you a 100, or you can select this way, cut 20 20 both side. Yes, now 5 and 25. 25 divided by 5. What will be the answer? We can write here 5 into 5 student in place of 25. Why not? Sure. Now 5 will cut, this 5 will cut. What is the left their side? 5 only. The answer is 5 matches won. Those team played a cricket 20 matches, out of only 25 they won. that is a fourth part of 20, or we can say a wall team is there and that four part, that means once again I am telling you 25% means उसका 1/4 part आपने select किया है बेटा. कितना गया? 1/4 and multiply by 20. Yes, my dear student, 4 ones are 4 and 4 5s are 20. Now 1 into 5 will give you a 5. You remember this one. This method is also correct, and I hope so. Here we are going to end up our 8.2. If anyone has the doubt, then ask me. Still now we are having the 4 minutes. We can discuss any kind of thing. Whenever the questions are giving some percentage of this amount or a number, you have to let it how many are there. Salary wala question compulsory you have to learn, and these types of cricket match wala, and sometimes they can ask the table also, students. 25%, 150%, 20%, and 5%. I want to tell you, whenever you are having the 2 number percentage, answer of decimal is 0 point that number. If the 3 numbers are there, then 1 point or 2 point, first number then point and last 2 numbers as a decimals. Whenever only 1 number percentage is there, 5% will gives you a 0.05. Why it's a 5? Because single digit number will add one more 0 and then after a decimal point. Is it? I think so. You already got the types of the questions. And remember how many minutes having the seconds, and 1 hour is equal to how many minutes, 1 hour is how many seconds. You should have to keep it in your mind, or you can remember how many hours are there in a day. In a day there are 24 hours, and you can say it's a whole day. Minutes are there, you can be careful. Liters are there, so milliliter are 1000. Kilometer is there, then yes, meters are there. We are knowing 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? Don't say 1000. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Easy or hard? Oh, rupees wala you are knowing very well. Rupees is nothing, but yes, rupees means 100 paise. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Easy? I hope so. Yes, kilogram wala. Kilogram is also so simple. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Yes, correct. Second wala also completed. Part of the questions are here. You can find a black color, but you can having the dotted lines, square lines. Count it how many are there. First is a 4 part. 4 part is divided into like this way. This is the 1 and 2. 3 parts are colored, 2 parts are not colored. In previous question only 4 are there. Out of 4, 1 is selected. Last one is this one. How many are there? Colored 1, 2, 3. Colored, and then after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total are 8. So you can write 3 upon 8. Is it or not? Yes, correct. You are right, my dear student. So here we conclude our 8.2, and I hope so you understood all the questions very clearly. Write down in your fair book, complete it, and whatever the examples you can write in homework book and send it and keep it with you. It is very helpful to you. Sometimes those types of example questions also very important in exam. Yes, my dear student, you are now one step ahead than SSC. Thank you once again. Stay at home, be careful. Once again I am telling you, stay at home. Don't move here and there. Take rest, wash your hands, use the mask, always mask on. Don't roam here and there. Thank you once again. Say bye bye, and it is time to say once again reminder, complete your fair books. Write down your homework. Complete your maths homework book. Chalo, bye bye. Thank you.